Got a rainy one today, man. Guess we ain't gonna be able to work on the car. I said, hey, yo! This your boy Tulu, man. Back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, let me hear it. Let me hear it. How you doing? Man, that's what's up, man. And congratulations for all the success that you having. You know what I'm saying? Continue to grind, continue to do your thing, man. And y'all already know, like I said, if everything ain't going right for you right now, within 5, 10, 15 minutes, you could definitely be in a better situation, man. And if you see somebody out there right now getting theirs, if you see somebody out there right now on their grind, man, listen. Don't hate on it. Just wait on it. Your time could definitely be coming up. As y'all see, man, we sitting here stuck in the house, man. I thought it was gonna be some decent weather today. It is gonna be in the 60s, but it's gonna be pretty much raining. Now, it's okay, I can kind of deal with the rain, but there's also thunder too. Hey, for those who know, you know, where there's thunder, there's lightning, so that's neither here nor there, man. So we stuck in the house. Man, I went and grabbed me some stuff the other day from Harbor Freight, man. And Harbor Freight, y'all got me. Y'all got me. But we're going to get into that, man. But I went there for one thing, bro. I went there for one thing. And that was just for the air compressor, man. I just wanted to get the air compressor. They had these on sale, which is the 3-gallon. They had these on sale for $34.99. So this was my whole intentions on getting this, man, because that old tank, man, that was, yeah. And I already knew I was going to have to buy me, you know, the hose and everything to go with it. So that was all right. I think we ended up getting this for like $9. I'll put the price up here if I ain't mistaken. I don't want to tell nobody no fib, man. But then I also seen that they had these impacts on sale. Now this is the half-inch impact drill, the viewer, I think that's how you say it, the 20 volt, you know what I'm saying? And as y'all see, it does not come with a battery, right? So you had to end up buying the battery. Okay, now the battery costs $99. The drill costs, it was $49.99, so $50, right? That was like, I was like, oof, all right, bet, I'm gonna need the battery. What I didn't know was that if I would have got the 3/4 or the 3/4 impact and bought this, I would have got that 3/4 impact for free. So, hey, Mr. Harbor Freight man, you ain't tell me, but count your days. Since it's raining, I can't go work on my car. Oh, I'm coming back to Harbor Freight. We're going to exchange that so we can, hey, all them little ducats count up. That can be something else for another project for the car. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know, man. If you didn't know, I had got these from my guy Fly. I won these on his giveaway, man. Shout out to my dude Double Up Customs, my dude Fly. If you ain't subscribed to him, man, go ahead, subscribe to him and check him out, man. But yeah, Mr. Harbor Freight man, I'm on your neck after this video now. All right. Also, man, shout out to my dude Kevin Garnett, my dude Chevy Addict, man. Shout out to him. He told me about these speakers, man, and like I was telling y'all in the other video, I'm ready to go ahead and like kind of start wrapping up the inside. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to go ahead and get everything, all the little pieces, to go ahead and wrap the inside up. What we have here is the DS18 3.5 inch speakers. I guess we can go ahead and just rip these out the pack. Ain't no need for me to open this stuff. These puppies is already out. That's an empty box. We had them ready to rock for the day, man. We had them ready to rock for the day. You know what I'm saying? But hold on, let me grab my little knife over here. Oh man. All right, let's go ahead and open. Now I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all already know I ain't into the speaker stuff anymore, man. But I do, I want a little nice, crisp system in there. But I don't want too much. My dude Chevy Addict told me about these. He did get them for his project, Lucille, his 85 Cutlass, man. And hey, he's a speaker guy, and he told me about these. So hey, I went with him, man. So what we have here is the DS18s. These are the ZXL 358 3.5 full range speakers. Like I said, man. All right, so it did come with two. Man, so I got a whole nother pack because I bought. We're gonna see what we're gonna do with them. Might give them away or something, I don't know. But y'all see here, man, they some cool speakers. They gonna be covered up, in my front, it has that trim piece there on the front. So they're gonna be covered up, man, but they cool little speakers, man. Cool little speakers, drop in there. They definitely, as I see, they work good for the G-bodies up there in that front. You ain't got to worry about your panel sticking up or having to change your panel or something like that, cut on your panel to be able to get these puppies fit in, man. But yeah, we definitely gonna go ahead and get these thrown in there. I'm still even, man, send me some suggestions about like some radios, man. If y'all know my email or whatever, send me some suggestions of like some custom consoles, their radio setups. I do have a radio in mind. I don't really want to say it because I don't know the name and the full information of it, but my brother has it in his Silverado and it controls his AC. It has like the temperature and map and everything on it, but I'm thinking about that. But man, y'all hit me up with some of y'all suggestions, man. All right, so the main reason why we here, and I know y'all is ready for this, are for these puppies right here. Yes, sir, man. All right, so for those who don't know, or most of y'all that's been paying attention, man, I've been having this fluid leaking from the back driver's side tire. And man, I've looked. I thought it was because y'all know we changed everything, the rotors back there in the back, and we changed the full brake system all the way around. I thought it was like where he bled the brakes and it just got on the rim. And so I didn't pay it no mind. Then I washed the tire off. I know they ugly, but I washed the wheel off, and then the oil came right back on it. So I looked all up under there. It was not coming from the brakes. So the only other thing that I could think that it was coming from was the axle. Had to be coming from that seal or that rear bearing back there. I truly don't know, but I know it's coming from that vicinity. And I was already figuring, hey, since I'm gonna have to take this apart, get this done, we might as well go ahead and upgrade the axles, man. We were running our factory axles in there. Y'all do know I had my gears upgraded to those Yukon 373 gears, 26 spline. So we're gonna go ahead and upgrade the axles too. I do have my seals and bearings coming in as well, and I know I need to probably go rent that tool from somewhere to be able to take those old bearings and seals out. But man, we ain't gonna know until we get in there and see what's going on. All right, I'm doing enough talking, dragging this video out, because I'm stuck in the house today. Let's go ahead and see what these things looking like. Man, these things look used. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. What do we have here? Oh, this is just paper. All right, man, let's get one of these puppies out of here. Woo! Wee, good and heavy. Oh, man. And these are the 26 spline Moser Axels. I'm guessing they have the little stickers that goes on the end of them. But yeah, man, we're gonna get these things upgraded. As soon as we get a break-in weather, we definitely gonna bust open that rear end, find our culprit. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing summer ready, man. I am so ready. Y'all hear me? I am so ready. And we ain't gonna let little things like this get in the way. Hey, y'all keep grinding, keep doing your thing. Y'all keep motivating me, man. When y'all be dropping videos, when y'all comment, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's definitely a big morale booster, motivational booster for me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I be watching y'all projects like they mine. Soon as y'all get a little small goal accomplished, hey, I be over there cheering for you. Just know that, you know what I'm saying? But until that next time, y'all see what we doing next. Because, man, y'all know we gotta do this before we put some rims on the car, right? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Leave a comment to let me know how y'all feeling about the build, or give me some suggestions about some things for real, for real. Y'all know your boy ain't, hey, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. But until next time, salute. Appreciate all y'all. Let's go.